Welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about vapor degreasers and precision cleaning of metal parts. If you've ever experienced your glasses fogging up when walking into a cool building on a hot summer day, you've already witnessed the concept of how a vapor degreaser works. Instead of using water, a vapor degreaser employs solvent vapors to clean parts, offering a highly effective cleaning solution. As parts are lowered into the vapor area, the vapor from boiling solvent condenses on them, effectively dissolving grease and contaminants. All vapor degreasers have a tank called the boil sump that boils the solvent, creating a mist or vapor of the solvent. The mist then envelops the parts to be cleaned, penetrating into nooks and crannies that aqueous cleaning methods might miss. Ultrasonic vapor degreasers have a second tank, called the Immersion Sump, that holds liquid solvent. After vapor phase cleaning, the parts basket moves to the Immersion Sump for solvent immersion cleaning with ultrasonics. A typical vapor degreaser has two sets of cooling coils. After immersion, the parts basket moves above the tanks and next to the primary cooling coils. This step allows the solvent to recondense and parts to dry. A secondary set of cooling coils above the first provides a final step for recovering all solvent back into the system and ensures that parts are dry. The vapor degreasing process is a preferred choice in many industries due to its speed and thoroughness in cleaning delicate or complex parts. By utilizing solvent vapors and condensation principles, this method ensures a deep and uniform clean without the risk of damage to the parts. Whether it's intricate machinery components or precision instruments, vapor degreasers offer a reliable and efficient solution for maintaining the cleanliness and functionality of various parts. Discover the benefits of vapor degreasing for your cleaning needs and experience the difference it can make in your operations. Contact an applications engineer at Best Technology today to learn more.